Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set mobile data limit on OnePlus Nord CE Lite. First, go to Settings, then click on Mobile Network, Data Usage Limit, and here you can set your data usage limit daily or monthly. I'm gonna choose monthly data usage limit, enable it, choose a unit, I'm gonna choose gigabytes, and I'm gonna enter 15 gigabytes monthly. Then press on done, and now you can also choose on which day of month you want to start calculating data usage. I'm gonna choose on the 5th. And now I have set 15 gigabytes monthly. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.